Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering issue on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Scroll down and you will see if you want to fix this problem, so turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on the settings icon, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issue on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.